How to pay for YouTube TV on iPhone. You can subscribe and pay for YouTube TV directly on your iPhone using the YouTube TV app or Safari browser. Follow these steps. Method number 1, subscribe via the YouTube TV app. Step number 1, download and install the app. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for YouTube TV, and download the app. Step number 2, sign into your Google account. Launch the YouTube TV app. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Step number 3, start a free trial or subscribe. Tap Try it free if eligible or select a subscription plan. Review the subscription cost and add-ons, if any. Step number 4, choose a payment method. Select Apple Pay, credit/debit card, or PayPal based on availability. Step number 5, confirm the purchase. Follow the prompts to confirm payment and complete the subscription. Method number 2, subscribe via Safari browser. Step number 1, open Safari and go to tv.youtube.com. Step number 2, tap sign in and enter your Google account credentials. Step number 3, choose your preferred YouTube TV plan and available add-ons. Step number 4, provide your credit/debit card or PayPal information. Step number 5, confirm the payment and start watching YouTube TV on your iPhone. Important notes: Apple subscriptions not supported. You cannot pay for YouTube TV using an Apple ID balance or App Store subscription. Payments must be made directly through YouTube TV's billing system. Payment history: manage payments and billing details in settings, billing and payments on the YouTube TV website.